Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change brush size in GIMP. So first we need to create a new project, so I go to File and then I go to New. Then I need to create a new image here, so I type width and height. I recommend you to use dimensions that I typed here, and then we need to click OK button. After that our background will be successfully created here. So now we need to go to Paintbrush tool. We need to click on it, or if you don't see this option you need to click right mouse button here and then you need to set here Paintbrush. Or you can use P from your keyboard. So I click on it, and then our brush size is really small. If you would like to increase it, you need to click here on the plus icon. It will let you to increase this size, or of course you can type here from your keyboard size that you want to use. For example, I will type here 160, and now I press enter, and how you see, size of brush has been successfully changed. The other method to increase and decrease the size is use Ctrl and Alt shortcut. If you will use this shortcut and you will scroll up or scroll down, the size will be changing. So for example, I will increase this size to 221. So now how you see, we can easily use this tool with increased size. That's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.